Hello again, everybody. It's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with another list of announcements as of last night. Um, came out after I did my announcement video from last night. I have some more updates. Here we see SD40 standard cab 2527 having been primed before having the cab and low short hood removed at Progress Rails Mayfield, Kentucky plant. In addition, NS1805, a new ACC, is at the facility under warranty repair work. The spun engine main bearing is needing to be worked on. So this should be quickly released from Mayfield before too long. SD40-2 under repairs. I'll look at NS, X Norfolk and Western, SD40-2 number 6149, still in the older NS paint. It's currently undergoing repairs at Juniata, and the unit was involved in a side swipe incident, back in August of 2018 at NS Moorman Yard. The fuel tank was punctured and caught fire, which had to be put out by the local fire department. So this engine is quickly getting fixed, and hopefully this will be out before too long. This will get a new coat of paint because it needs it big time. So another X Norfolk and Western. Get ready to get another second life once it gets rebuilt. This engine was produced in the 70s. This engine was built during John P. Fishwick Sr.'s time. It has kept its original number through Norfolk and Western and Norfolk Southern. It received the Fishwick black paint with the NW block letters. So glad to see some of these are still around. Oh, here comes another big list. More C6Ms completed by GE. NS AC44 C6Ms 4181 through 4183 have all been completed and released from General Electric and were delivered to NS to be put into service in Conway, Pennsylvania. In addition, one second. Excuse me, I apologize about that. In addition, the new NS4271 has been completed and released to service from Altoona. See the full roster shot here. Here's all three of them, which arrived in Conway on 15M. And here's the power comes from 15M and 10D heading for the engine facility. So, once again, more C6Ms are coming out. Glad to see some more coming out. It is with that we close out another announcement video in regards to Norfolk Southern. One concern I would like to bring up before I close out the video. I haven't mentioned this in a while, but whenever you are leaving comments, please keep your comments pertaining to the subject of the video. I'm not mentioning who, but I have had a couple of problems with that recently. For the ones of you who do comment, thank you very much. I'm not mad or anything. It's just please keep your comments to the subject of the video, please, because if it's something random, I kind of feel a little uncomfortable, but if it's something pertaining to the video, I can respond to that. But please, no random comments, but just please put them in the, please post comments and pertain to subject of the certain video. So anyway, thank you guys very much for watching this little update. I'm Engineer Pat 5290, and I will see you next time.